since your destination register is a 8-bit register, so only 8-bit data transfer is allowed here. So we have to move only 8-bit data here. So the instruction syntax is move rn comma hash data. So this instruction requires 2 bytes of memory location. 1 byte is for your opcode and another one is for your data. Okay. So the operation is the 8-bit data is directly transferred to your general purpose register or not to R7. Okay. And mission cycle required 1 mission cycle. Okay. Is that clear? So what is the next instruction? Please tell me. So what is the operation of second instruction?
Accumulate the contents are stored in the register.
Okay. So any other students can answer this? Move Rn comma A. Roll number 8. Roll number 8. Roll number 8. There, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me the operation move Rn comma A. So it's a very simple instruction. So what's your name? Roll number 8. Dharanish. Solunga.
Accumulator content move to register, ma'am.
Yes. So this data transfer is 8-bit data transfer or 16-bit data transfer?
I'm 8, ma'am.
8-bit data transfer. So example move R0 comma A. Okay. So addressing mode, register addressing mode. So the name of the register is directly specified in the instruction, and number of bytes required 1 and number of mission cycle required 1. Okay. Students, please note down all the details of this particular instruction. So these information are very important to program your 8051 microcontroller. Okay. So example move R0 comma A. So n varies from 0 to 7. Okay. So what is the next one? Move Rn comma direct. So what is the purpose of move Rn comma direct? So we can directly specify the internal RAM address. So the content of internal RAM address is transferred. The content of internal RAM address is transferred to your register. Okay. So you can specify your internal RAM memory address here. Okay. So next one is the move direct comma A. So what is the purpose of this one? Please tell me. Move direct comma A.
The content in the accumulator will be moved to the specified location.
What is the direct? What is the meaning of this word? Direct.
Internal RAM address.
Internal RAM. So this address is 8-bit address. So size of address is 8-bit. Please note it down. It is not a 16-bit. It is a 8-bit address. Okay. So example, move 41 comma A. So any internal address you can use it here. Okay. So 41H. So the accumulated content is transferred to the internal memory address 41. Okay. So what is the next instruction? Move direct comma Rn. So what is the purpose of this one? Move direct comma Rn. So same operation, your source register is here, general purpose register. So the content of Rn is transferred into internal RAM memory. So addressing mode is direct addressing mode because here the direct address is direct, that is specified directly in the instruction itself. So that's why it is called as direct addressing mode. So whenever the address is present, 8-bit address is present in the instruction, so it requires 2 bytes of addressable memory. So it requires 2 bytes and mission cycle requires 2 mission cycle. Suppose if you are using Rn register, so this is also available in your internal RAM. Okay. Suppose if we are using accumulator, it requires 1 mission cycle. Suppose if we are accessing this internal registers, it requires 2 mission cycle. So in our programs, mostly we are using this one, direct comma A, in order to improve our code efficiency. Is that clear, Pa?
Ma'am.
Okay. Next one is the complicated instruction. Move direct 1 comma direct 2. That is the memory access data transfer within your internal RAM memory. Okay. So direct 1 comma direct 2. For example, move 05 comma 07. So both the addresses are in the internal RAM memory. Using this instruction, we can transfer the data within the memory, within the data memory. So here 07 is not data, this is a 8-bit address. Similarly, 05, 8-bit address. So it requires 3 bytes of memory location and mission cycle required 2. So 2 mission cycles are required to execute this instruction, move direct 1 comma direct 2. Okay. And next one is the simple instruction. Already you are aware of this one, move direct comma at RI. So your RI is configured as a pointer here. Okay, move direct comma at RI. So move 40. This is your internal RAM address. I am using R0. So what is the meaning of this one? So what is the size of your pointer here? Roll number 10. Roll number 10. So what is the size of the pointer? I have mentioned here. Roll number 10 is connected. Students, please interactive students. Solunga. Roll number 8 is simple instruction. Yaarpa? Roll number 10. 10. Hariharan. Connect ஆயிருக்கீங்களா? இல்லை ஒன்றும் காம்ப்ளிகேட்டட் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் இல்லை. சொல்லுங்க, நீங்க பாட்டுக்கு உங்க ஆன்சர் சொல்லுங்க. அட் ஆர் நாட்னா என்னப்பா? அட் ஆர் நாட்னா என்ன? So move the data from internal RAM whose address is in R1 or R0 register to accumulate. So to internal memory, not accumulator, to internal memory. That is move address comma at RI. That is move the data from internal RAM whose address is in R1 and R0 register to the memory whose address is given in the instruction. So here we have given 40. So the data pointed by R0 is transferred to 40. Is that clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Hariharan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So what is the next one? Move direct comma hash data. So it is under direct addressing mode. So previous one is the indirect addressing mode, and here a direct comma hash data requires 3 bytes of addressable memory, and also it requires 2 mission cycle to execute. Okay. So what is the operation? Move direct comma hash data. See, quick-ஆ சொல்லுங்க. We will complete the move instructions. இப்படியே போயிட்டே இருக்கு.
Ma'am, the data will be
Ah.
transferred to the
All
pure
are
RAM address
input
called
operation
direct.
here. Please, after these move Rn comma A, all are 8-bit data transfer. Please remember, direct comma hash data is the 8-bit data transfer. So data is transferred into your internal RAM memory. Okay. So what is the next instruction? Move at Ri comma A. Rule number 12. So what would be the answer? What would be the operation for this? What is the operation?
When the direct address is given to pointer Ri, ma'am.
Okay. So your pointer is R0 or Ri. So the accumulator is transferred into at Ri. Addressing mode, indirect addressing mode. 1 byte of instruction, 1 mission cycle required. Okay.
Okay.
So can you give one example for this instruction? Move at Ri comma A.
Ma'am, move at R0, comma A, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the next instruction? Move at Ri comma direct. Roll number 14. Roll number 14.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So give me one example for this instruction.
Move at Ri, comma R0.
Here direct address.
Okay, ma'am. Move at Ri, comma direct.
Direct. So give some example for this. Direct. So move at R1 any 8-bit address. Okay. For example, 12. Okay. So the content of internal RAM memory is transferred to your memory location pointed by Ri. Okay. Indirect addressing mode and number of bytes required 2 and mission cycle 2 mission cycles are required to execute this instruction. And next move at Ri comma hash data. So 8-bit data is directly transferred to the internal memory whose address is in Ri. Here Ri can be your R0 or R1. Addressing mode, indirect addressing mode, and number of bytes required 2 and number of clock cycle required 1. So what is the last instruction? Move dptr comma hash data 16. Roll number 16. Jayant.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the operation? Move dptr comma hash data 16. Lab class எல்லாம் கவனிக்கிறதே இல்லையாட்டு இருக்கு நீங்கெல்லாம். இங்க next 2 weeks கழிச்சு இங்க வந்தீங்கன்னா it's very difficult to follow your theory as well as lab. சரிங்களா? நீங்க இப்படி கொஞ்சம் ரெஃப்ரெஷ் பண்ணிட்டு வாங்க ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் கவனிக்கலீனா. சொல்லுங்க இதுக்கு ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Move dptr comma hash data 16. ஜெயந்த் உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சது சொல்லுங்க. தெரியலையாப்பா ஜெயந்த்? ரோல் நம்பர் 17 ஜெயசூர்யா. சொல்லுங்க. சிம்பிள் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் நிறைய டைம் லேப்ல எல்லா ஃபேக்கல்ட்டியும் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணாங்க. ஜெயசூர்யாவுக்கு தெரியல. ரோல் நம்பர் 18. Roll number 18.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
For DPTR, that one.
Last instruction. Move DPTR, comma, hash data 16.
Ma'am, the data is moved to DPTR, ma'am.
So what is the size of data?
16, ma'am. Data
16. What is the size of your DPTR?
16-bit.
16-bit. So 16-bit data was transferred into DPTR. இந்த ஜெயந்த் ஜெயசூர்யா எல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் லிசன் பண்ணுங்கப்பா. இங்க வந்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப கஷ்டம், லேபுக்குள்ள விட மாட்டாங்க ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி எல்லாம், சரியா? So 16-bit data வந்து is transferred into DPTR. Immediate addressing mode, 3 bytes are required. Okay, it requires 3 bytes of addressable memory and 2 mission cycles are required to execute this instruction. Okay, so that's all about your move. Next one is the move C. So what is the operation of this move C?
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the difference between RI and RN?
RI means I can vary, that is I can take only 2 values, 0 and 1. N means it can vary from 0 to 7. Okay.
I means register 0 and register
only pointers R0 and R1 are available, no? So I means
yes,
it can take only 2 values, either 0 or 1. You can specify either 0 or 1 in the instruction.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the operation of move C? Actually, these instructions. Okay, you can proceed. You can answer, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. The previous instructions would access the data memory, and
Yes.
this accesses the code memory, lookup table.
Yeah, it's for accessing code memory. Very good. Okay. Actually, these instructions load the accumulator with the code byte. Actually, code byte from your program memory, not data memory. So please remember. So it's mainly this instruction load the accumulator content with the code byte from the program memory, whose address is the sum of your 8-bit accumulator content and content of 16-bit register. That 16-bit register can be DPTR or program counter. Okay. So A plus DPTR. Okay. Similarly, A plus program count. So the content of A plus DPTR is transferred to accumulator, and this is transferred to accumulator. And at RI means either your R0 or R1 transferred. So mainly for accessing data elements from core memory, so this move C instruction can be used. So the addressing mode is in-text addressing mode, and the instruction is a 1-byte instruction, and 2 mission cycles are required to execute this instruction. Please note down all the details given in the table. Move C A comma at A plus DPTR, move C at A plus program counter, move C A plus at RI. There is code pointed by RI. So here you have to give 8-bit address, but in place of DPTR and program counter, you have to give 16-bit address. So that is the difference. So next one is the move X instruction. So this instruction transfers data between accumulator and the external RAM, external data memory. So the memory address can be 8-bit or 16-bit. If an 8-bit, so you have to use, that is address is stored in R1 and R0. So for that we have to use that P2. Okay. So already I have explained this T2 pairing with R1 and R0 in the lab class. And next, if it is a 16-bit address, the address is stored in DPTR. So only we have 3 instructions in this category: move X A comma DPTR, external data pointed by DPTR to accumulator. And next, external data 8-bit address. Okay, so that content, that accumulator content is transferred to your at RI. And next, external data 16-bit address content to at R0. So indirect addressing. 1 byte instruction, 2 mission cycles are required. So these instructions transfer data between accumulator and external memory. So these instructions only work with accumulator. So accumulator can be either source register or destination register. Solunga, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, how can you find the number of mission cycles requirement?
It's based on your internal clock frequency. So internal clock frequency is 11.0592 megahertz. That is internally divided by 12. So based on some calculation. So in your Masudi, the last chapter, they have given a very big calculation to calculate mission cycle. So in 4th unit, we will cover all these topics. Okay. So it's like an internal calculation. The mission cycle is completely based on your crystal oscillator frequency. Okay.
Okay.
So I will cover all these concepts in your 4th unit. Okay. So based on your address, the mission cycle, number of mission cycles can vary. At DPTR, it requires 2 bytes of memory. Upper 2 mission cycles. If 8-bit address are 1 mission cycle. So that's based on you, and also it depends on your internal clock frequency. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Next
ma'am.
one is the push and pop instruction. So what is the purpose of push and pop?
They're using stack addressing.
Stack.
Increment
Stack.
and
Accessing data elements from stack. So my question is, what is stack?
Internal RAM locations.
Internal sequence of internal RAM memory is called stack. So using these 2 instructions, we can access data elements from your stack memory. Here, stack pointer is playing a major role to copy the data or delete the data. Okay. So 2 operation. Push and pop. So the main operation involved in push is increment and write. First, it will increment the stack pointer. After that, the data is returned into the corresponding memory location. Increment memory pointer and write the data. So first step is increment, second step write. In pop operation, get the data first and decrement the pointer. So during the execution of your push operation, your stack pointer incremented by 1. Okay. And whatever data available at here. Okay. So in this memory location, the particular data is written. Similarly, here the first pop operation, it will get the data from the current pointing memory location, and after that this will be decremented. So I will explain this with one example. Okay. So example instruction, push DPTR. Okay. Currently, your stack pointer is pointing 0, 9. And before execution, your DPTR holds this value 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So after execution, first, so what is the operation? Whatever data available at DPTR, so whatever the content of DPTR, that data was pushed into stack memory. So that is the operation performed by your push instruction. So first, initially, the top of the stack is 0, 9. Okay. During the execution, this stack pointer is incremented 1 and pointing 0, 8. Okay. So after incrementing this memory, your DPL, that is lower order, this will be your lower order and this will be your higher order. This lower order is pushed into 0, 8. First increment and write the data into the stack. Okay. And after that, to get the next data, increment stack pointer pointing 0B, now 0, 1 is returned into 0. Is that clear? Now your stack is pointing this, stack pointer is pointing 0B. So the given example, push DPTR. So DPTR holds 16-bit data. Initially, your stack pointer is pointing 0, 9. So during the execution, first your stack pointer value will be incremented by 1. Okay. So 0, 9 is incremented by 1 and pointing 0, 8. And after incrementing, it will write the data into the corresponding memory location. So the data to be pushed here is 23. So 23 is pushed into 0, 8. And next 0, 1 is pushed into 0, B. So this is the operation of your push. Any doubt? சொல்லுங்க.
No.
Students, வேற ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் இருக்கா பாருங்க. First initial stack, this is your top of the stack. Top of the stack is nothing but your internal RAM memory. சரிங்களா? stack pointerல ஒரு வேல்யூ இருக்கும், that will indicate your top of your stack memory. So இப்போ execute ஆகும்போது this will be incremented by 1. It's pointing 0A. So whatever data available at DPTR, that is transferred, that is returned into corresponding memory location. Okay. So next one is the pop, just reverse of your push. That is removing the elements from your stack, internal RAM memory. Okay. So pop direct. So this is the syntax. So for push instruction, syntax push direct address bar register name. Okay. So next one is pop direct. Okay. So example, direct or register. Pop DPH, okay, and pop DPL. So this is the given instruction. Okay. So during the execution, your stack is pointing, stack pointer is pointing 32. This is your top of your stack. Okay. Top of the stack. Okay. So what is the operation to be performed?
First, get the value and decrement.
Get the value and decrement. Okay. So let's consider this is 30, 31 and 32. Okay. This is your top of stack memory. In 32 we have 0, 1 and 31 we have 23. So what is the top of the stack now? So currently the stack pointer is pointing which memory?
32.
32, ma'am.
32. இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணணும்னா டேட்டாவை கெட் பண்ணிட்டு, சரிங்களா, கெட் பண்ண டேட்டா எதுக்கு போகும்னா அந்த கரஸ்பாண்டிங் ரெஜிஸ்டருக்கு பாப் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் it will decrement. Okay, first get the data. So 32 holds 0, 1. So this value popped into DPH. That is copied into DPH. After execution, your DPH holds 0, 1. So now your first instruction is executed. So what is the next instruction? Pop DPL. So now it's pointing 32, okay. Again, okay, after the transferring the data, this 32 is incremented. Now it's pointing 31. So what is the data available at 31 now?
23.
So this 23 is popped into DPL. So
DPL.
after execution, the DPTR holds this value 0, 1, 2, 3. So in this way, we can insert and remove the elements from your internal memory using push and pop instruction. So initially, push-ல வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும்னா நீங்க வந்து first increment பண்ணிட்டு and then get the data. So the corresponding data வந்து pushed into the stack pointer. Second caseல popல get the data and decrement the pointer. That's all. So that is the difference. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next, exchange instruction. So here A is missing, A comma R. Exchange A comma direct. Exchange A comma R now. So A comma Rn means the content of the general purpose register exchanged with accumulator content. In the 02 irukku, suppose we have 07, after execution your accumulator holds 07 and Rn holds 07. Just exchanging data between registers, between memory and between memory pointers. That's all. So exchange accumulator with Rn, exchange accumulator with direct byte, exchange accumulator with indirect. So register addressing mode, direct addressing mode, indirect. And for this one, requires 1 byte of addressable memory, 2 bytes and 1 byte, and all the instructions require 1 mission cycle to execute. And this one is different, exchange digits. Only LSB exchange only allowed here. For example, exchange digits A comma at R0. So data pointed by R0 is exchanged with accumulator. So in this exchange is restricted to LSB alone. Okay. For example, at R0 holds 17 and accumulator holds 1D. Okay. After execution, only LSB content are exchanged with each other. So after execution, your at R0 holds 1D and accumulator holds 17. So only LSB alone exchanged. Is that clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this instruction exchange the data between accumulator and register Rn, accumulator and internal memory. That's all. So first 3 instruction provide 8-bit exchange, data exchange. Here it will allow, the last one, it will allow only 4-bit data exchange. So next class, actually move instructions are completed here, okay? So next class, we will see about arithmetic and logical instructions. Do you have any doubts in move instruction, move and exchange instruction?
Ma'am, in HCHD, only the LSB will be changed, ma'am.
LSB alone changed.
Okay.
Suppose if it's the 8-bit data, only last 4-bit only allowed for exchange. And both the register retain the MSB value, okay, same MSB value. Any other doubts? Please note down the homework problem. We will discuss the answer in the next class. So it's addressing mode related problem. Roll number 1,
Yes, ma'am.
2,
2 present, ma'am.
okay, 3,
3 present, ma'am.
4,
4 present, ma'am.
5,
5
okay, ma'am, thank you. 6,
roll number 5 present, ma'am.
okay, 6,
Present, ma'am.
7,
7 present, ma'am.
8,
8 present, ma'am.
9,
9 present, ma'am.
10, Hariharan,
Ma'am, 10 his mic is problem, ma'am. He has put in
oh,
chat box.
okay, ma'am, okay. 11,
11
present,
ma'am.
13,
13 present,
14,
ma'am. 14 present,
okay.
ma'am.
15,
15 present, ma'am.
16 present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
18,
18 present, ma'am.
19, 20,
Present, ma'am.
20 present, ma'am.
21,
21
22,
present, ma'am.
22 present, ma'am.
23,
Present, ma'am.
roll number 23, okay, okay. 24,
24
25,
present, ma'am.
25 present, ma'am.
26, roll number 26, 27,
Present, ma'am.
28,
28 present, ma'am.
29,
29
30,
present, ma'am.
30 present, ma'am.
31,
31 present, ma'am.
32,
32 present, ma'am.
33,
Present, ma'am.
32 absent, Amma.
Ma'am, 32
Oh, 32%, okay. 33,
Present, ma'am.
34,
34 present, ma'am.
35,
35 present,
okay.
ma'am.
Okay, 36,
36 present, ma'am.